The garden gnome.
Gnome.
Go crazy, girl. Okay, she got all the questions right today. You're on form.
I don't know. I'm joking.
Let me see.
It's that thing you put the pipe in.
Oh, valve le sprinkler basically.
Hold on. I will search here.
Ngiyayibona. Hayi bo musinayo no.
Wait, it's not. Ah, this thing.
UJ, you had a chance to take.
This thing.
Kawuthi uzoqhubeka ngathi useregular. Yophila ngalelo nje. Ngeke ulunge. This country is going nowhere. You're staying right here. What last time you're Smile. Sit down. Oh.
What? We're back. We're gonna be reacting to. We're gonna be reacting to King Oumar.
UJ.
King Oumar. Wits versus UJ spelling bee. UJ got this. UJ got this.
Hey, yo, what it do? What's good, YouTube? This is your boy, K-Winder.
I wouldn't wear these jeans, but they look awesome.
Cut. K-Winder, what? K-Winder. Cut.
I'm in a cut, the boy.
We're going crazy. We're taking over the industry like mad, man. You know what I'm saying? This is your boy carrying a cut. So what we're doing is a spelling bee. You already read the title, you saw the thumbnail, you already know what's going on. UJ versus Wits. Who's smarter? Who can spell? Who can't spell? You know what I'm saying? But hold on, let's go to verse real quick. Okay, so today what we're doing is we're doing a spelling bee. How smart are UJ kids? UJ versus Wits. You already know the vibe. This is already a UJ, you know what I'm saying? Now we're at Wits. We want to see how smart are these Wits kids. We're going to be doing a spelling bee. Who can spell the best? UJ or Wits? Let's get into this video.
Ruben.
And?
Panache.
Do stretch.
And?
Lulu.
Annie.
Wandile.
Lorraine. Neka.
And?
Mary. Bonala.
And?
Kindile.
And?
Christian. Kraus.
And?
Nadia.
Jared. Alright, so I'm back here again. I'm here with?
Lebaham.
Okay, Lebohan. So today what we're doing is a competition. Wits versus UJ, spelling bee competition. You're going to get 4 words. You get all 4 rights and you're representing Wits. You know what I'm saying?
That's a lot of pressure, but hey.
Okay, so the first word we have for today is surprise.
Surprise, okay. S-U-R-P-R-I-S-E.
Okay, 1 out of 4. Okay. The first word of the day is surprise.
S-C.
He went in there out.
This guy is
He
really...
just turned around and was like, hey, don't be what's this?
S-U-R-P-R-I-S-E.
Okay, 1 out of 4. Okay. The first word of the day is surprise.
Surprise.
S-U-R-P-R-I-S-E.
No. Oh.
She just said it.
I concur.
R-I-S-E. S-U-R-P-I-S-E.
Okay. Surprise.
Yeah. S-U-R-P-I... No. S-U-R-P-R-I-S-E.
Okay. You nearly slipped up. Nearly, this close. Okay, cool. Okay. The first word of the day is surprise.
Surprise.
Yeah.
S-U-R-P-R-I-S-E.
I'm judging a girl who's gonna get this one
Okay,
wrong.
this is surprise.
Surprise.
Yeah.
Don't be.
S-U-P-R-I-S-E.
Surprise. Yes, yeah.
You're right.
Wait.
Okay.
No.
What?
You forgot the R.
S-U-P-R-I-S-E.
Surprise. Okay.
Yes.
You were right and you succumbed to peer pressure. I need to think for you. Uzohlala la.
You forgot the R.
I'll think for you.
He said you forgot the R.
I'll think for the both of us.
Surprise.
100% confidence.
100% confident.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. The second word.
Just so...
Now it makes sense why guys
Oh my
go
God,
broke.
just so not confident.
Before the P. Surprise. Surprise.
Hayi ngadi amuka isho
There's an
ngesizulu.
R before the P.
Hey.
Hey, I have to.
Somebody's woken up.
Yeah, there's a-
That's out before the P.
Hey, they Jenny Shley, man.
Yes.
Surprise.
You.
Surprise.
No, there's no up for the P.
Oh!
A
Come
great
sit
one
here,
thing, a
I'll
great
think
one
for you. Go to the la. Angena la lesomfaka kwibhastool. Sokufaka kwibhastool uzohlala la. I'll think for the both of us. Don't worry. Ubuyifake hey. Uzohlala.
thing.
No up before the P.
Is that your final thing?
Buy one is.
Okay, cool. The second. Alright, so I'm back here again. I'm here with. And okay, so today we're having a spelling bee. We're doing UJ versus Wits. So you guys are representing UJ right now. You guys ready?
Hi, but we have.
Can I know? Like, let me give it.
No, you
Why
guys
not?
together. Teamwork. Do it together.
Hey.
The words are not enough. You know what I'm saying? The first word we have for you guys today is surprise.
SURPRISE.
Okay. Are you?
Dude, let me tell you something. One thing niggas will never say about me is that I'm a bad speller. I'm very good at spelling. Very, very good at spelling.
What are you not good at?
I'm a master.
What are you not good at?
Crying. I'm not very good at crying.
You confirming that? Just gonna agree to everything you said. The first word we have for today is surprise.
Surprise. SURPRISE.
Okay. Surprised.
Oh. Okay.
Aibo.
I'm so nervous. Surprise. S U R P R I S E
D.
D. Oh, surprise.
Okay. Surprise.
SURPRISE.
No girl can't get this wrong.
You'd be surprised.
Aside from
create
Lofana Zohlala
young
la.
people who are innovative
Uzohlala la.
thinkers,
You'd be surprised.
barrier breakers,
Mutual Dyson team.
and world changers.
Oh, mutual!
Companies of all sizes use BigQuery to uncover new insights from their
Okay, my
data,
ass.
like
What's
cost savings, operational efficiencies, and
Okay. That's a bit easy. One was a bit. So yeah, the first word we have for today is surprise.
SURPRISE.
You confirm that?
Yeah.
She's not from UJ. She's from the Soweto campus. She's
Ah.
from DFC.
Uzama classist.
She's from DFC.
The elitist that we need to get rid of in
No,
this
but
country.
we're not gonna sit here and act like old UJ is equal. There's DFC and Soweto, and yeah, that's not UJ.
La base Auckland Park la.
Yeah,
So Auckland Park.
no, they are imposters. They are imposters. They are posers. We must weave them out. They've exposed themselves.
So I spell it too.
Yeah.
SUPRISE.
When
Okay. The second word of the day is
never mind.
president.
Yeah, Ian.
Yeah?
What is pork?
Nah.
Sukile kwamashado. Wabona
Unomzimba we-middle field.
ISE.
Okay. The second word of the
That's
day
what the Chiefs. It's fine.
I got this karango, man.
is president.
What you be down?
SID
What you be
Pay
down?
attention.
UPRISE.
Okay. The second word of the day is president.
PRE.
Which presidents? Tina's
He said
Fundi.
president.
Yeah.
He said president.
Oh, he said president. I thought he said presidents.
SIDENT.
Yeah, the same thing.
Confirm that.
Yeah.
President.
President.
Yeah.
Like the president of
Yeah.
PRESIDENT.
Okay. She's on a roll. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. The second word of the day is president.
PRESIDENT.
You confirming that?
She's a UJ.
President.
President.
Yeah.
PRE.
You taking the note? Yes.
Continue.
SIDENT.
Continue.
Teamwork. Let's go. The second word of the day is
I don't care.
president.
It'll do her
Presidents.
wonders to have better
Yo,
friends.
shit.
PRESIDENT. P-R-E-S. Oh my God. P-R-E-S-I-D-E-N-T.
P-R-E-S-I-D-E-N.
I'm spelling the same thing, guys. Fuck you.
S-I-D-E-N-T. Okay. The next word of the day is president.
President. P-R-E-S-I-D-E-N-T.
Okay, that was quick. You know that one. Okay, cool. Second word of the day is president.
President.
Yeah.
P-R-E-S-I-D-E-N-T.
The second word we have for today is president. President, yeah, like the president.
S-I-D-E-N-T.
Okay. I thought she wasn't gonna say anything.
I don't care if you can spell
Second word
Save
of
a
the
life.
day is. Are you ready? Not that hard. Don't think about it too much. President.
President.
Yeah.
P-R-E-S-I-D-E-N-T.
You'll confirm that?
Probably right.
Probably.
President.
When I'm found when I get die.
Use it in a word?
President,
No, he's a
the
redhead.
first
You
black president of
racist
South
piece
Africa.
of shit.
Confirm
It's
that?
not die. He's a
Die.
redhead. Look at his beard.
Brown la.
No, look at his beard. He's a redhead.
Anyway,
He's a ginger.
sise
You
Africa.
racist piece of shit.
Sise Africa. Yini jinja ngesizulu. Washa khekhe.
Probably right.
President.
Yeah.
Okay. Use it in a word?
President, like the first black president of South Africa.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
P-R-E-S-I-D-E-N-T.
We've only had black presidents.
Okay. Represent
really.
people in Wits are smart.
De Klerk.
He's not a president of South Africa.
He was the president of South Africa.
He was an apartheid president, not president of South Africa.
He
Two
was-
different things.
He was the apartheid president of South Africa.
That's all. And now you're speaking.
Don't play with them.
Oh come on! Let's give him his flowers.
Flowers. Ingakho babishisile. Lawo flowers now. Cremation. Uyayibona-ke?
Oh come on!
Ngoba kuthiwa ukuthi izoshiswa izolo ku-afterlife. Baqalwa ngomzimba.
Leave young De Klerk alone.
Wey.
Leave De Klerk alone.
Nalo dodo wempandle kade yenawo. Wey.
Third word for the day is 12th, like 12th position.
The 12th position.
12 or
The
12.
12th position is T-W-E-L-F-T-H.
My man,
Representing.
Sfundile.
Third word of the day is 12th,
No, that's fine. They're still losing.
like 12th position.
Don't give it to this guy. I don't
Hey,
trust him. I don't
Johnson
trust him.
ngalo.
I don't trust him. Don't give it to him.
Mbambe kanje.
I have a feeling that he's an infiltrator. We must watch him. Like watch his hands. Like
12th position. Shit. Okay, T-W-E. Ooh.
12.
Can he try?
12th.
Yeah.
T-W.
one of you niggas better be smashing there.
Ngane abantu Nkosi yami.
One of you niggas.
Ngabanga usuke kini mhlambe kini kuse Free State kuyabanda laphana liyakhithika imigwaqo yabheda abafana bakufisele isende. Yawe.
Ngangitshela ukuthi phela awukopi exam la clearly. Awukopi exam.
E-L. F-T-H.
T-W-E-L-F-T-H.
T-E.
Yeah, cause you heard. Like, shut
He
up.
said T-E. This nigga.
Okay.
I told you this nigga's an infiltrator. We must watch him.
UJ, Dean of Students, imsebenzi yenu.
No, he's not from UJ. He's from DFC.
Lama requirement eno.
He's not from UJ. He's from DFC.
The third
Please,
word for
man,
today
I wouldn't say
is
that.
12th, like 12th position.
12. As in 12?
12.
Can this girl shut the fuck up, please?
Okay. T-W-E-L.
V.
V.
Yes. 12.
Hayi.
Yes.
Wathi ngizothi ungasahlali lana manje, yabona manje. Uya
Zidom. Ingada sevets. Zidom. Dom.
That's the final answer.
Yes.
Okay.
Uthi yes, Nkosi yami.
akunankinga, I'll think for the both of us.
Third word of the day is 12th, like 12th position.
I told you, infiltrator. I'm watching.
Now you go for that. Wait, what?
W
Yeah.
E L F T H.
Okay, you got it. You're panicking for nothing.
You can keep your head for now. We'll decapitate the other one.
Like 12th position.
Like the 12th of the month.
Yes.
Yeah, basically.
TW E
L.
L
Come on now.
F T H. 12.
Okay, got some smarty pants and VTs. Okay. The third word of the day is 12th, like 12th position.
12.
Ayiphele guys cream kuningi.
Wow.
Lamanqaba.
TWE.
Ngeke uxakeke la.
Wow. L. FTH.
Yes, you got it right. Okay, the third word for today is 12th, like 12th position.
Okay, TW
Ijongo alispeli. Because it doesn't
12 TH 12 12. Is it 12 or 12?
12th.
12
Yeah.
TWELFTH.
Okay.
That's all.
Got saved. Okay, cool. Okay, the third word of the day is
Good one, Oumar. He's weaved her out. She was an infiltrator.
kade igcwele kodwa.
She was from
Fabric ebhokadi.
DFC.
Truck yasinda i-truck.
Sesiyazi.
Dlula kalula kwi-toll gate ithe.
Stop prying.
Hey,
12th, like 12th position.
TWELVETH.
Nomngane wakhe.
UJ.
Nomngane wakhe. Hambani ne-DFC. Hambani ne-DFC. We're done.
I think.
Wena intombi ayispeli.
She's already in handcuffs, by the way.
Intombi ayispeli. Ushaya idrede lakho upheke kahle. Siphilele siyibalela imali
She's
ungawazi.
cute though. The friend is already in handcuffs.
12th, like 12th position.
With Naked, you can get comprehensive car cover for just 180 Rand a month. Insurance has never been this simple. Get car cover.
The third word for the day is 12th, like 12th position.
12. TWELFTH.
Okay. Smarties. People are smart at first. Don't play. Okay, the third word of the day is 12th, like 12th position.
Okay. TWELTH.
No. 12th. FTH.
There's an
Hey, la ngikuthembi. I think so. Buka
He's a
manje.
ginger, it's hot.
Really? No, that's
What the fuck does that mean? Ingqondo overheater. Kwenzekani la? Blow it up.
There's an F.
There's an F.
The final decision is an F, yes or no?
I think
Let us talk with the jury, guys.
It's 12. Abana bafana baba wave cap. Abafana baba wave cap.
Okay.
There's an F.
There should be an F.
Okay, cool. The last question for today to spell is gnome, like a garden gnome.
GNOME.
Go
Okay, I
crazy,
don't even know
girl.
what that
Okay, she got
You
all
didn't
the
know.
questions right today. You're informed.
I don't know.
Ngibukisa ngathi la. Ngiziphupho.
I'm joking.
Let me see.
It's that thing you put a pipe in.
Oh, i-valve leyo. I-sprinkler basically.
Hold on. I will search here.
Ngiyayibona. Hayi bo musinayo no.
Wait, it's not. Ah, this thing.
UJ, you chance take.
This thing.
Kawuthi uzoqhubeka ingane ngathi useregular. Uyophila kalelo nje. Ngeke ulunge. This country is going nowhere. You're staying right here. What last time you're Smile, sit down. You're staying right here. Phambili kula singayi khona. We are not going there. Forget about that shit. Bro. Forget.
Okay,
Oh,
go Vitties.
that's
Go
crazy.
Vitties. The last word of the day is. This one's a bit hard. I don't gonna lie, it's a bit tricky. You want to start? Yeah, he's been cheating. Yeah.
How? When you can't spell a damn word, you've been cheating.
Gnome. Like got him.
What?
Gnome.
I don't know. Isn't it Gnome?
Hey, ingane zosapapa ziyayazi lento.
UJ.
Okay.
Yeah, I think it's.
Mr. Cheating. Uthontsele ngama-dread.
Yeah.
Think it.
No. Yeah, GNORM.
Gnome.
GNOME.
Okay.
Forgot
That
your
was
R
the quiz of the
when
day.
I had my
You
shit.
guys wanna find out if you got every question right? Don't know what to do. Watch the video. You dig? You wanna shout out your Instagrams?
I'm gonna shout out my YouTube.
Hold on.
It's your boy Manny.
Shut up, brother. Go to the goal.
Manny speaks with the motivation and shit. So
I'm gonna put the link in the description.
Alright.
Let's get it to you got nearly 1,000, right?
yeah, nearly 1,000. Let's get it
Go.
okay. Let's go.
My IG is
Hey, you should be buying me a dictionary. Fuck your IG. Fuck your IG. Fuck it.
Spell IG.
MDUD
How many vowels in IG?
He just spelled it.
underscore
He
MLOTS.
said MD.
My Twitter's at Belusiaga.
Oh shit, my Twitter is Manny_Deep.
Okay. Plug all that, you know what I'm saying? Shout out guys, thanks for being in the video.
That's
And me out the
incredible
video.
treat.
The last question, the last word for today is gnome, like a garden gnome.
Gnome. Oof. That's okay. That's a very tricky one. No,
Yeah.
I'm gonna give this a try. No.
Yeah, go crazy.
Nome.
Okay, that's actually wrong.
Okay.
It's GNONE. Yeah, silent G.
I got this in this system. Must call me var.
Did he just say N?
He said NOME.
No, I'm saying him. He said NE. King Oumar.
Guess people a lot, don't worry.
okay.
But 3 out of 4 is good.
It's
That's good. 80%. Or is it like
Context is also important. It's like you won't know how to spell something you don't know from the get-go. Like, who the fuck knows what a gnome is?
25 or
I
something?
do.
Okay.
I'll
Huh?
take that. 75.
Serious? Okay, oh yeah. Ish, mess late. Don't worry. Okay, cool. Do you wanna shout out your Instagram?
You should be actually.
Nah, it's okay, probably MJ.Lebahar.
Alright, shout out, my guy. Thanks for being in the video.
Shout out.
The last word of the day is gnome. Like I don't know.
Oh, that's a KN.
What?
There's a K.
GNOME.
Bona ntombazana uhlaniphile kodwa usulelwa ila bantu abahamba nabo le nto zabo banesicwacwa ikakhulu ushuthe emthunzini kwenzekani la.
She saved you. Alright, shout out.
No, la khona
Thanks for being in the video, guys. Do you
Instagram.
wanna drop your Instagrams?
You know, we've
Oh! Nothing humble case. No buga.
Thanks for being in the video, guys, and we out here.
Memorize.
Last word of the day is everyone slips up on this one.
Okay.
Gnome.
Gnome.
Yeah. Like a garden gnome.
I got it at GNOME.
Wow, that's all.
Okay.
Well
Cool.
done.
Must represent you vets out here. Do you wanna shout
Great content needs a great audience, like a purple dinosaur needs a hug.
out your Instagram?
My Instagram is _andile.mtembu_.
Shout out.
Nice.
You just put
Roll
vets
and
up
roll
there.
and roll and
You got all 4 right. Okay, cool. You guys know what to do. And we out this video. Let's go. The last word of the day is gnome.
Gnome.
Yeah.
Like the gnomes, like
Yeah.
garden gnomes. Oh, GNOME.
Why does this thing seem so common with other people? Minangayazi ngaleso sikhathi. Awe. Oh, I remember. Go Project X.
You went to school at
I
Brown.
want my fucking gnome. Yeah.
Representing UJ. Shout out to you. Do you wanna drop your Instagram? Twitter.
Lori CBANDA.
Get on Twitter, Instagram.
Twitter, Instagram.
Okay, cool. Shout out. Thanks for being. Last word we have for today is gnome. Like garden gnome.
GNOME.
Okay, girl.
I know that's right.
Okay.
No, you
guys
did
got
not know.
all
I
the
saw your face.
words right. Do you guys want to shout out your Instagrams?
Yes, please. Please follow me on Instagram. My handle is S_Bonolo. S_Bonolo.
Okay.
also on Twitter, same underscore, same everything.
Okay, cool. Sounds good. Alright, so you wanted to say something to the people?
No, not necessarily, but I mean, like, if there's like a gentle brother out there that's like looking and single and ready to mingle, I'm joking.
I
Instagram
bet you can take my numbers down and maybe that could be possible.
I don't know. No, not
Jola
you.
naye
Not
lufana
you. No.
Okay, it's
to Bonolo bhale lapho.
Bani Bonolo.
We gentle brother kithi.
You gentle brother.
Wey cha
I'm a gentle brother.
Wahluleka ke mina engiloku ikholo nempepho Nkosi yami ngeke.
So you wanted to say something to people?
S_Bonolo.
Yeah.
No, not necessarily, but I mean, like, if there's like a gentle brother.
Bonolo.
Calm down.
Ekhaya bakuthuma ukuthi uyofunda when ufuna ama gentle brother.
Yeah.
Ngingabuqinya.
It's a good thing. It's a good thing.
Ngambamba. Amantombazana wana Adams apple ne.
Yeah. Ini qoqolo.
Qoqolo. Uyasinda. Benye ukubamba kanye.
S_Bonolo.
Wena. Sisimbona. Akusuye lo.
Suye.
S_Bonolo or some shit like that.
Yeah.
Akaveli.
Suye lo.
Mhlambe ishintshile. Akusuye.
Don't you, Bonolo? It could have been me.
Let's see. Like now, Bonolo.
No, it could have been me.
Out there that's like looking and single and ready to mingle.
Mhlambe sokulamisa kwazi bani.
I'm joking.
I bet you can take my numbers down and maybe that could be possible.
I don't know. No, not you. Not you.
One up majongo. Wende bamaduka yellow. Ayisebenzi.
No.
Okay, it's fine. Last word of the day. This one's a bit tricky. Is gnome, like a goddamn gnome.
I have it in my head, but gnome. GNOME.
Okay, shout out to you. Shout out to you. Let's go. Shout out. Thanks for being in the video. You guys want to jump your Instagrams?
We don't imagine if you could, if IQ point, okay, not IQ, but just intelligence and knowledge, it'd be sulelega.
Like AIDS.
Yeah. Do you think the world will be dumb or smart? I got that in an easy pogo.
Okay, it depends.
It wouldn't help.
If you sleep with a smart person and then it rubs off you, but then what if you sleep with a dumb person?
Exactly, most people are dumb, that's what I mean.
So does that mean that you're gonna go back to where you were?
Negative, yeah, by us. You bank statement.
I'd be dumb as hell.
Oh,
I'd be dumb as
that's
hell.
telling.
Hey man, I'm gonna be dumb as hell.
Twitter.
The person I'm with now is smart, but so it'll take an ocean of them to fix me.
And with 3 N's.
My Twitter feed is I called Blaze.
Hi, shout out guys. Thanks for being in the video, guys.
Shout out,
the
Blaze.
last word for today is, this is where everyone slips up, is gnome. Gnome, like garden gnome.
Gnome.
Yeah, like garden gnome.
Isn't it? I feel like it starts with a K. It's KN.
When was it?
No.
For you.
G. Isn't it a G?
GN. That's
A gnome.
Yeah, like a garden gnome.
I know this word. It doesn't start with an
Don't
N.
know what I mean.
yeah. It starts with a G. NOM. Gnome. Yes.
Gnome.
Instagram yakho sokuqala ngeke
There
uwa-1.
somewhere.
No, it's not H.
Gnome. So it looks weird in my head. It looks weird. Yeah.
Final answer, that one.
I feel like just for spice, let's put an E at the end.
Okay. Nah, actually it was missing the E, but yeah, okay, cool.
Hey,
Cool. Okay,
When
so
I
that's
told us
all
I
the
think I
words.
won.
You actually got the first one wrong. You know what I'm
There's
saying?
no R before the P.
The E's are R before the P.
You see?
I missed it.
My answer was correct.
Hlanphile. Bulawa peer pressure.
But I'm not confident.
R before the P.
Okay, cool. Do you guys want to shout out your Instagrams?
You can find me on Instagram, Neka_.
Angathi akafuni ulayeke njani.
Mina.
Yukena.
Mary dots
Mary.
Ito _.
Dot
Thanks
what?
for being. Shout out your Instagrams.
Dot idiot what?
You can find me on Instagram, Neka_Yukena.
And
Mary dots Ido underscore.
Ido yani manje.
Exactly.
Namagama abhedayo nawe efusaka. Ngiyakutshela ngeze ngithola ukuthi ugondile manje. Mary, what's a dot or underscore?
I don't care.
Do you guys want to shout out your Instagrams?
Bononya yazi ukubonono
Nika family Instagram, Nika underscore Ikena.
And
Mary.Ido underscore.
Ido? Yini Ido manje?
Summer L Etho.
Oh. Oh.
Wait, is this her?
Mm.
She looks so different without the glasses.
Umude kangaka. Qoku 9 onyaweni ngeke kulunge.
Oh, 10.
Hayi cha ngeke. Intombazane lingana Omega. Anyway, yeah. That was Wits UJ spelling. This country is not going anywhere, as I've said. We are not progressing. Nothing. It's either still or siawa. So decide about it. But forward is not where we are going. That's what I'm telling you right now. Now I'm scientist. That's now umuntu omusha. Cabanga.
Guys, bye-bye. Me, I'm disappointed in UJ. They could have doubled these numbers. But the problem is we had some infiltrators that needed to be stopped. But we found them. We found them. They're on their way to DFC. Put us in. DFC is too good for them. Send them to Soweto.
Elitist. Boganje. I'm a classist. So anyway, please like, subscribe, suggest any other videos you want us to react to. We'll do that and give you a shout out.
Not really.